What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back on another video. This is finally the video you've all been waiting for. You guys already saw that I picked up my M1000Rr and it was pretty much a skeleton. They needed a full rebuild, and bro, the past 2 days I've been just grinding on the bike, with obviously a lot of help from a lot of friends and the shop, and a lot of people helped out with putting the bike back together. It took us literally 2 full days of working on that bike to get it back to its current form, and that's what we're going to do. I'm on the new M1000Rr, and I'm going to drop this back off at PDM Brands. Also, a huge shout out to them for allowing me to use their shop to work on my M1000Rr and helping out and all that stuff. But yeah, we're taking that 1000 back to them and swapping it with my M1000Rr, and that's when you guys are going to see it for the first time. This bike pops nice. New brakes, they're still squeaky. Bike still is getting broken in. Well, this bike, it has 200 something miles. Bumpy. But yeah, I'm so hyped to finally, nut check, to ride my bike with the new full exhaust system on it. Full titanium exhaust system. Before you see it, don't cheat, okay? Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think the full exhaust system is? I want to know what you guys think. But yeah, huge shout out to the PDM Brands. Check them out on Instagram. They do bike giveaways if you buy sick merch that they make. Also, they're the ones that made my merch. But yeah, we got the squad today. This is nice. It's super smooth, it's super quiet. Mine is gonna be the opposite of that. And yeah, it's about time to reveal the new bike with the new exhaust system and a lot of goodies. It was a lot of work. He helped a lot too, putting on the work on the bikes, on my bike. But yeah, I already walked you guys down before, told you guys what I'm gonna be doing to that bike, so now it's all put together, and I still have a lot of more parts actually coming for it. I bought some more yesterday. I bought more titanium bolts yesterday. I caved in. Yeah, because I thought I bought everything, but I guess all I bought was fairing bolts, not engine covers, not I got yeah, so I got both engine cover sides, even the nuts right here on the back and the screws on the rotor, those are all going to be titanium. The front, I don't know, I got a lot more stuff for it. I got carbon air ducts for it.
The windscreen ones, maybe we can change.
Yeah, and I still have a lot of bolts. I'm missing something. But yeah, time for the reveal. PDM Brands, how are you doing?
What's going on? How are you wearing?
This is her. Let's bring her over here so you guys can properly see her.
It's hot outside.
It is hot today. But there she is. Did you guess right? We got the full SC titanium exhaust system. I've literally just started it a couple times. I haven't even rode with it, so this will be my first ride reaction. You guys can see all the titanium bolts literally all over the bike. Carbon fiber frame cover. This piece is full carbon. The carbon belly, carbon, I don't know what do you call them, whatever. Entire carbon tail. Fitment isn't perfect, to be honest. I'm still getting different parts to make it fit better. I'm getting new TSTs because look at these ones, how they're faded and all that. But yeah, I think you guys already saw this piece, and you know, this carbon, all the titanium bolts, all that stuff. The other side too, we got the engine covers too, literally titanium bolts as far as you can see, but I still have more coming for it because I want pretty much everything to be as titanium as possible. Windscreen, which cracked somehow.
Oh shit.
Nice. We got a little souvenir from the windscreen.
What's that? Oh shit, I think that broke.
Yeah.
No, broke from the inside.
Well, yeah, something must have hit it for sure.
To put the pressure on it.
Yeah. But
Shit.
it's all good. We'll get either another plastic piece or just replace the whole windscreen. I'm not even fully sure about it. What do you guys think? Should I keep the clear or should I just get a smoked one? I ordered actually a light smoke one, and I'll probably still replace this. I have so many extra parts that are coming in that I already have, but yeah, this is her. Carbon fiber in the front. Titanium everywhere. I still have carbon fiber ducts coming for it. And we didn't put on the seat cover because we need a stapler gun. But yeah, should I give you guys the first startup for YouTube, the official first startup that is actually recorded? Yeah, carbon fiber engine covers, but I thought I ordered titanium bolts for the engine casing, but I guess I did not. So they're coming. I ordered them now. But yeah, I'm obsessed with the way this SC project looks, and I'm more excited for the exhaust to turn blue, because that's the whole point. That's why I got the small belly, because I want the whole thing to pretty much turn blue. That bike desperately needs an oil change too. Yeah, I also got like a carbon tank cover. Still got the stickers. I'm not sure if I want to, because this tank is a little bit like, you know, scuffed up. So I did get a carbon tank cover. We'll put that on, see how I like it. I did get a sticker, so we'll do like the carbon cover stickers and see how that looks, and if I don't like it, maybe we'll go back to the white. But yeah, and I also got stickers for the back too, the M stickers, so those are gonna go on to the carbon. It's not complete, but it's complete enough. Alright. Proper first startup. Cold start. Let's take her outside. Woo, the wind. This is the loudest, the most obnoxious exhaust that I could find for it, is what I got. Also, a huge shout out to Motovlogging. They're the ones that helped me out, hooked me up with this exhaust system. Yeah, full SC titanium exhaust system. I just can't wait for those headers to turn blue, and I'll be obsessed with it. We did a little something while I was working on this. We kind of like loosened the clutch a little bit, so now the clutch will probably feel weird, honestly, riding it. Obviously I need new tires too, but hopefully it rides good. They said like because we messed with the clutch and then kind of put it back together, that the timing is so sensitive because of the quick shifter and the tune and all that, so I have to go get it readjusted, but hopefully it runs good. But let's put her in the sun and let the carbon shine. Excuse me. Drops the bike after 2 days of work. Well, technically 4 months until I got the parts and got into riding standards, and then after that it was like another 2 or a few days of pretty much putting in work on this bike to put it back together, fairings wise, exhaust and all that stuff. with all this heat. Look at that. With all the carbon glowing. I kind of want to keep it like just full carbon and not do the stickers, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see how it looks and kind of go from there. Little body gap right here. Carbon fiber fitment. Oh, there's a spider just hanging right here. Sorry, dude. Pretty much just let it run. Maybe the exhaust will get some color. It'll definitely get some color when we ride. Bike is looking as good as it can be for a resurrected bike. Also, look at the new badges that we got. The anniversary badges. So yeah, honest opinions, what do you guys think of the build so far? So let me know your opinion. I think it turned out really great. Got a lot of upgraded parts for it, like, you know, this super nice high-end Brembo master cylinder, like a lot of stuff. New Rizomas, a lot of new cool parts were put onto this bike to make it look the way it does right now. I'm still missing some like titanium bolts I should have put on here, but yeah, again, shout out to PDM for allowing me to use their shop to put this bike back together. Honestly, I didn't want to deal with it myself. I was like, we'll do the exhaust, we'll do the velocity stacks and tune on this bike, and then I'ma just like take it to my mechanic guy and he's gonna do all the body work and all that stuff. But they said let's do it, so I was like, all right, whatever, let's do it. It was very stressful and it was a lot of work, but we made it work. Putting carbon on carbon, like doing a full carbon build, is never easy, because you always go through like little fitment issues like this, for example, you know what I mean? It just has to happen. Doesn't matter if you get the best carbon fiber, there's always going to be some sort of fitment issues, because it's not plastic, it doesn't bend as much and it cracks and all that, and you have to Dremel. But yeah, it was a lot of work. I'm just happy that it's back together now. Hopefully it rides good. As I said, I haven't ridden it yet. Hopefully no fairings go flying and stuff like that. And also hopefully my clutch doesn't feel too bad. But yeah, we're just gonna let it sit for a little bit, and then we're gonna wait on a friend of mine to show up, and then we're gonna do the proper first ride with her being complete like this, with the full exhaust system, the stage 3 velocity stacks, and the whole shebang pretty much. She needs a wipe too. Dirty. But yeah, it's not even complete, but it's looking good in my opinion. Complete enough. Just little details here and there, and then she'll be properly like done. Yeah, I can't believe that it's finally back. Honestly, I thought it's gonna be lost and gone forever, but I brought her back for everyone and for myself, because I really love this bike, honestly. And it's the only bike that I bought completely brand new.
These are offices here. What are you? Sorry, yeah. I mean, no, it's going on for a long time. I'm sorry. No, I'm not talking about that. Oh. It's been going on. You got the bike shop here?
No, it's all ours.
Yeah.
They're all ours, yeah.
But this is the offices on the corner.
Oh, okay, yeah. I'll make sure, they don't during the day.
We got a Kyle, boys and gentlemen. It's okay. Yeah, it's fine. I wasn't even revving. It's just the bike is just running.
I know it's loud.
Well, now you guys know that this exhaust is really loud. I thought for a second he wanted me to rev, because I saw him through the window and he was like this. Yeah, that's how loud the bike is. That's a good example for you guys, because it doesn't come through properly through the mic. But yeah, Kyle, Karen's wife, came out It's okay, I understand, it's business, even though it can't be really that loud. I'm not even revving, and if your office is inside there, it should be fine, but whatever. It's all good. As I said, we'll pause, we'll wait for my friend to show up. I guess we're not gonna let it run and see the blue pipes. I don't see any coloring yet. Maybe a little bit, but yeah, we'll see. Wait for my friend, and then we'll do the first ride.